Are probably some things you want to work on in 2022. Maybe one of those things is your smile. And if you're looking for a brand new smile or just a smile makeover, Dr. John Heimke from Oral Design Cleveland is here to share how he can help. Hi, Dr. Heimke.
Hello, how are you? Thank you for having me.
So excited to talk to you about our pearly whites today. How is a new smile or even a smile makeover started?
Well, a smile makeover in our practice starts with the face, actually. We look at the facial characteristics, and from that, we develop a treatment plan on how we're going to design the smile. We do a 2D digital smile design blueprint of the smile, so I can share that with my laboratories and or specialists, depending on the case. And then from there, we work out how we're going to do the smile.
Okay, so Dr. Heimke, what is this smile artist approach in oral design?
Well, the smile artist approach, oral design, like I said, starts with the face, and then we use a lot of artistic principles in designing that smile. Our oral design team, which is not only just me, but my laboratories, oral design laboratories in New York with Peter Kavaris and Pinka Sadar in Atlanta, we know how light dynamics work with the teeth, how light reflectivity works, how to create natural harmony and how it's perceived and how it actually creates the person's personality by how we interview the patient, looking at their characteristics of their face, and then building that all into the smile so that we have a very natural look, maybe a fresh look, but a very natural look.
Okay, so after you were like, okay, I got how their face is laid out, what are the next steps involved?
The next steps, basically, we send the case, once the design is made, the blueprint, so to speak, to our laboratory. They will actually create a 3D rendering or sculpture of that case, either in wax or in digital printing, how we do that. And a lot of people know about printing these days with digital printers. And then the patient comes to me for the treatment. And at the treatment, that's where the magic occurs. In about an hour and a half to 2 hours, I'll prepare the teeth as needed. Then we will place prototypes on the teeth, and those prototypes allow us to kind of work out that final details of that smile and put the human touch into it. And then we communicate that to the laboratory, and they make the final porcelain restorations. And then we have a delivery appointment. So basically 3 steps: a diagnostic phase, a treatment phase, and a delivery phase.
Dr. Heimke, of course, we just had a chance just now to look at those amazing before and after pictures. It is amazing. A person's smile is almost everything on their face. That was incredible.
Yeah, it really controls the lower third of the face. And, when we meet people, we make value judgments in our brains in a nanosecond. It's really amazing how that occurs. And then the smile is obviously very important to us. And if we can improve it, it's really a fantastic thing. And you can see in the videos that we've provided, look at that patient. Look at the change that comes over her when she sees that transformation. I've gone through it myself. I have 22 veneers in my mouth, and most of my staff have veneers. It's just an amazing process to convert it from, say, something that you're not really pleased with to something that you're very proud to smile with, and actually you'll smile broader, and things happen. Your confidence goes up, obviously, and it's just a wonderful time. I mean, we really take the connotations of dentistry and throw it out the window because we have a totally different type of scenario here in our office, on a smile makeover basis, because it's a boutique dental office.
And Dr. Heimke, speaking of things happen, let's talk just for a minute about dealing with that aging smile or the failing smile. How do you guys address that?
Exactly. Well, obviously, we all age, and we can improve things as time progresses. So we can evaluate the patient, and then we're not going to make you, if you're 60, we're not going to make you 20, but we're going to make you a really vibrant 60. So we're going to restore those teeth. Most people like to get whiter teeth, but we're going to put the shapes back. We're going to create basically a harmony of the smile. You really want to avoid symmetry, which would look like piano keys. You want to put a natural harmony into the smile. So there's a beautiful flow. And then when you do that, people are like, wow, you're looking great. What is it? What have you done? So, the trick is you don't want the teeth coming in the room before you do.
Dr. Heimke is with Oral Design Cleveland on Center Ridge Road in Rocky River, 888-255-3588. And Dr. Heimke, where can they find you online?
Everyone loves my smile.com.
We love it. Thanks for joining us today.
Oh, it was a pleasure. Thank you.
Love Dr.